Hello, everyone. It's Matt Hawks here with Coldwell Banker. I'm here in Sandy at my listing 2064 East Village Point Way, and gonna walk through the house for this virtual open house. This is a beautiful neighborhood, beautiful home, and here we go. So I'm here at 2064 East Village Point Way in Sandy. Very pretty and quiet neighborhood and beautiful views. It's on a corner lot. Very, very, very low traffic area. So let's just go in and look at the home. This home has been, virtually everything in it has been updated and remodeled. It's just over 2,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's a 2-car garage. And so when you go in, there's a big office, but then I want to just have you pay attention to how open and bright the home is. And that's because of the vaulted ceilings, lots of sunlight comes in, and the newer light fixtures create that ambiance as well. That's right, I said ambiance. But this office is huge. It has double doors as well and some cool track lighting. It's a new floor. It's expensive hardwood on the stairs going up. And this is the kitchen, granite countertops, newer appliances. There's a dishwasher as well on this side. And a view to the outside. We'll go outside in a minute though. And it has a pantry, little spot for your work station as well. And then a newer carpet, and it's just open. You can see with the sunlight and vaulted ceilings, gas fireplace. And then this way is it's a half bath and a laundry room. Big laundry room. You can put a full-size washer and dryer in there. Again, there's lots of light in there as well. And then there's a 2-car garage in there. I'm not going to show you too much. It's where the owners have been storing some of their stuff. But it's a good big 2-story or 2-car garage. And then downstairs it's all the way finished, and more cool track lighting, and all these can lights make it bright downstairs. So you could convert this into, or part of it, into a bedroom if you wanted to. Super sleek and clean looking barnyard style door. This is to just some storage area in the mechanical room, but a big storage area. And these are newer water softener and furnace, and then you can also access it. There's a door on the other side as well. So there's a water softener that's being included as well. Has an expansion tank. Everything's up to code. The current owner has updated all of the plumbing as well, which is fabulous. This is a little cool feature as well. So you can see that the main shutoff is right there, but how do you get in? Well, he's thought of everything. He has a magnet, and there you go. Pretty cool. So just wanted to make everything clean looking and kind of sleek, pretty neat. So let's go upstairs to the 3 bedrooms. And here's the great room. Super energy efficient in this home. So 2 guest bedrooms are on this side with a full bathroom. With, yep, you guessed it, updated, new, remodeled bathroom, granite countertops. And here's one of the bedrooms. Both bedrooms have big closets. And the other bedroom is right by it. Everything's new. Another skylight type thing to get some more light in. There's a towel closet. Linen closet. Technical terms. The master bedroom. It's beautiful. New flooring as well. The king bed, there's still tons of room. Here is the closet. I'll show you that in a minute, but here's the bathroom. Love this. All glass shower. He just redid the tile. And new sink, separate toilet. So there's the bathroom, and then you got a separate master closet in here. It's a walk-in, so there you go. And then let me show you the backyard, and that will be it. Backyard is really pretty. This deck, you guessed it, is new as well. Lots of shade, but then I'll show you another feature of it. So here's the deck with the awesome view of the snow-capped mountains. Alta is 20 minutes away is all. So you're close to all the amenities that Salt Lake County and Utah has to offer. So you have a huge deck. You also have a yard, and then they love gardening, so there's some garden boxes there. Obviously you can take those away if you want to, and a big pad. There's some more yard on the side as well. So that shed is also included. If you notice up there, you can undo the canopy, and it comes all the way down to keep it fully shaded. Really pretty, quiet, shaded area. It's a view of the back of the house. These are all triple pane windows that were just put in. So again, it's really energy efficient and beautiful aesthetics, but then also some area as well. So low maintenance, and you have some grass as well. It's a big condenser actually. Another garden box, love it. So there you go, that fence is new. So there you go, hope you guys loved it. If you have any questions, give me a call, reach out to me or your agent, and we can schedule a private showing for you. My phone number is 801-869-0268. Thanks so much.